What's good, everybody? It's the Internet Income Ninja back with another way to earn money online. Thank you so much for your support, and I invite you to subscribe, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways daily to earn money online. Today's video, we're going to be featuring an app that allows you to do that simply, easily, and in a fun way. But before we do that, I want to talk about the links in the description below, because those links teach you, they share information with you about ways that you can earn $1,000 per day with roughly 2 to 3 hours worth of effort put in. So you spend your time setting up these systems and they run on autopilot. You just check them every day to make sure everything's good, and you can also modify them to promote other products and services. So guys, check those links in the description below. They are life-changing links, and if you want to change your life, click them and learn more. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about a particular app called KashKick. KashKick is the greatest reward app out there, and I'll tell you why. Not only do you make money in your spare time, not only do you make money doing things you usually do, but you make money by answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web. So it's everything put together in one. It's stuff that you're already doing, you're just getting paid to do it. Okay, so it's really easy to sign up. You just need to get paid directly to your PayPal account. So you click this button and you log in with your PayPal, or if you want to create a KashKick account, you just sign up with your email and create a password. Alright, now when you sign up, you are agreeing to their terms of service and privacy policies. Now it's really easy. You find and complete your mission. So each time you log in, there will be tasks or missions that you're asked to do. Like I said before, they could be answering survey questions, watching videos. Complete as many tasks as you like, because there's no limit to how many tasks you can do. And the more tasks you do, you can watch your earnings grow in your account. Now, this app was originally intended to be used in the US only. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm not sure at this point in time whether or not it will be applicable to places like Europe or places like Asia, India, places like that in Asia. But try it out. Let me know in the links in the comments below. Let me know how it works. I'm eager to hear what happens. But money is actually made here, and let me show you one reason why, or one reason it will do that for you. Okay, KashKick cashes out early. That means, unlike other apps, they want you to reach a threshold. They want your balance to reach $15, $20 or more. KashKick allows you to reach a threshold of $5 at a time before it does a payout. So it's very low. So you don't have to do as many tasks or make as much money as with other apps before you can actually get a payout. And so your credit to your account will be more, and you can pretty much bet on there being a consistent flow of income once you're actually using the app. Now, how it works: companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and me, and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. So it works on your laptop, it works on your phone. Either way, it doesn't matter. You can be making money wherever you are. Now, how much does it pay? That's a great question. KashKick will be all your earnings will be credited to your KashKick in-app account, and once your account credit exceeds the minimum payout threshold of, well, it says $10, but it really is $5, you can cash your money via PayPal. So you can get your money over to PayPal once it reaches $5, not 10 as it says here. The official website says $5. Okay, you can quote me on that because I'm quoting the site. $5. See here, starting at just $5 at a time. Now, again, the other leading apps create a threshold of $20 to $50, but you are looking at $5 here. So the more you earn per week, the more frequently your payouts are. Okay, so you can be earning $5, $2 per task, $5, you know, and as it adds up, it will pay out once it reaches the threshold. So guys, this is an app that you can be using whether you're an adult or teenager. Primarily built for the US market, but try it whichever region you're in, and just comment and let me know how it works for you wherever you live. Alright guys, so try that out. Here are some testimonials. People have been on KashKick for years. They swear by it. They say it's fun and easy to complete these tasks. Right? This person, Shanice from New Orleans, says that KashKick saved her life. She lost her job, and thanks to KashKick, she started taking surveys, which allowed her to get a little side income to pay a couple of bills. It's easy and you can trust them, and I love the low $10 cash out so you can get your money whenever you need it. So my assumption is that maybe it was at $10 at the time she did it, but KashKick is saying that they pay out at $5. That's something that you can test, and again, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the content, if you like me bringing these videos and this type of content to you, show some love. Hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more from me, the Internet Income Ninja. Let me know how it works out for you. All the best to you and your family. Stay safe, make money, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.